Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we've got a fascinating topic that will provide you with valuable insights and strategies. We'll be discussing the 4 major pitfalls that can derail your CMMS, that's Computerized Maintenance Management System, implementation, and how you can avoid them. If you've ever wondered why 7 out of 10 CMMS implementations fail, then this video is for you. Stay tuned to discover how careful planning, effective implementation, continuous training, and quality data collection can set your organization up for success. Let's dive right in. Did you know that a shocking 70% of CMMS implementations fail? That's right, 7 out of 10 organizations stumble when trying to implement new software, often because they overlook the importance of planning and pre-implementation strategies. But don't worry, we're here to help you avoid these common pitfalls. Let's dive into the 4 major ways you could mess up a CMMS implementation and how to avoid them. First up, we have planning. It might seem like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised at how many organizations skip this crucial step. Remember, a CMMS isn't a magic wand that will instantly fix all the maintenance problems in your facility. You need to create an action plan before you even choose your software. This plan should include the types of data you want to track, the functionality you need, your budget, and getting stakeholder approvals and buy-in. Jumping into a CMMS without a plan is like trying to navigate a ship without a map. You're likely to end up lost at sea. Next, we have the implementation phase. This is where things can really start to go wrong if you're not careful. It's not just about installing the software and starting work orders. You need to consider how data is being migrated from previous systems, whether there's a PM plan ready to be scheduled, if the software has been tested in an area before being rolled out to the whole facility, and if everyone is communicating about the rollout. Remember, communication, testing, and planning are still key at this stage of the process. The third big stumbling block is training. Just like when a new asset arrives at your facility, your maintenance staff need to be trained on how to use and maintain the CMMS. And this isn't a one-off thing. Continuous training is crucial, especially when the CMMS is updated with new features. Skimping on training is like trying to run a marathon without any preparation. You're not going to get very far. Finally, we have data collection. This is a big one, folks. If you input garbage data, you're going to get garbage data out. It's as simple as that. Your maintenance team needs to understand what kind of data they need to input. Hands-on training can help with this. If technicians are shown how to populate work orders with useful quality information, the data you get out will be actionable. So there you have it, the 4 major ways you could mess up a CMMS implementation. But with careful planning, thorough implementation, continuous training, and quality data collection, you can avoid these pitfalls and set your organization up for success. Thank you for watching. We've covered the 4 major pitfalls of CMMS implementation and how to avoid them: planning, implementation, training, and data collection. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about our tools and resources for maintenance and reliability teams, visit our website at upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more, and remember, your success is our priority.